Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox and check this pajama set, purple free. Let's check it out! But before we proceed to pajama set, let's open one mini photo card pack. There you go. It has no bubble wrap again. Why? If you are interested to K-pop merch, you can message me in my Instagram account. Hello there. It's J-Hope. There you go. Wow, at least it has really photo cards. Okay, this is made in Vietnam. It's free size. Okay, it's not that stretchable. Okay, now let's see the photo cards. Okay, I noticed in the photo cards included at the pajama set, it's kinda thinner compared to the mini photo card a while ago. Okay, my clothing size is large and I'm kind of comfortable with this size. Okay guys, so that's it. For this pajama set, I'm selling it for $69.07 US dollar. It's for one set, including the photo cards. And then for this mini photo card set, it costs around $8.16 US dollar. For the prices, the shipping fee is not yet included. Please message me in my Instagram account for more information. Thank you so much for watching and see you again for my next unboxing videos. Bye bye!